Hey all, today I thought we'd have a look inside the ProCo DB-1 Direct Box. It is an old made in the USA ProCo Direct Box, passive. Let's see what's in it. All right. So we have the input jack, the output jack, a switch that goes between speaker level and instrument level, and then a switch that goes between flat output and high cut output. The high cut output is a resistor cap network here inside that is supposed to simulate a speaker cabinet for your direct recording. And then we also have a ground lift in case you get ground hum when you use this, and a low Z output. Turn that around so you can read it. Low Z output, which is to go directly into the mixing board or mixer, whatever you're using. It uses a transformer to change the impedance from high Z to low Z, which is what the mixing board wants to see. And there's the resistor network. This also has a level reduction on it, so it can work with speaker level. That's what this speaker level does, is it reduces the output so that you can put it between an amp and a speaker cabinet. There it is. If you guys have any questions about what you saw in the video today, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll answer them when I get a chance. Thanks so much for watching.